If you're looking to keep your iMessage conversations clear and organized, replying directly to a specific message is a great way to ensure that everyone knows which message you're referring to. Here's how to do it on your iPhone. Reply to a specific message. Open the Messages app and go to the conversation where you want to reply to a specific message. Select the specific text that you want to send. Select and swipe it to right. In the menu, select Reply, type your response, and it will appear linked to the specific message you're replying to. Tap Send, and your reply will be shown as connected to the original message, making it clear what you're responding to. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep your iMessage conversations more organized, especially in group chats or long threads. If this guide helped, feel free to drop a comment below.